Let's ready. What is your name and where are you from?
I'm Guillermo Gil. I'm a Spanish architect, but I'm coming from Domaine De Boisbuchet, which is a cultural institution from France and a partner of TDB. There I'm the general coordinator, so I'm coordinating the activities, and I have come here with Pablo to meet here the students and the faculty from TDB and to work with them.
Perfect. Now clapping. And one positive thing you found about TDB.
What I love from TDB is first of all the situation in this center of the chaotic city of Delhi. Then I also loved how the building is conceived, the architecture with all these different spaces which allows a lot of possibilities for creation. And lastly, I will say to find so many friendly and nice students and in these large classes we found here in Delhi.
Perfect.